What's up, guys? Texas Family Roofing. We are ending the year. This is our final Monday morning meeting. In case you haven't met Nick, this is Nick. He's been on some videos already. What do you have to say? We're gonna close out the year. What do you got? What do you got for me?
Happy New Year, guys, and we look forward to helping you guys this next year.
Awesome. Nick Thompson, look him up. He's got some of the best dance skills. People have commented on his dance skills. Baby Hulk, he's right here. His real name is Jake. Actually, his real name is Jacob. Then we told him his name was Jake, and then now we just call him Baby Hulk.
Whatever.
Let's see those biceps. This guy works out. You can't even tell. My arm's like that small compared to his. Any words before the end of the year here?
No, it's been a hell of a year. I'll say that. It's been really fun, really great.
Okay, let's hear a little bit of your background, where you come from, what you do, how long you've been here, and how are you liking it?
I came from an HEB position for about 10 years, and then I believe it was like 6-7 months ago, I came to Texas Family Roofing as a sales rep, and it's been my life has been changed.
Awesome.
It's crazy.
Yeah. Awesome. He's absolutely killing it. He's doing well. Good job. He's one of our top performers in the roofing sales industry. Our top performer of the company is somebody else that I'm gonna introduce. He needs no introduction. You probably know who he is. His name is Erik. Here he is.
Roofer!
Erik L. Roofer. What's up, Erik? What do you got for me?
Oh, I'm just over here making some TikToks, getting some grooves on,
Yeah.
wrapping up the year. We're going to be having a more exciting 2022.
Right.
It's going to be off the hizzy. It's going to be insane. We got so much more to come. We got new people joining the family. It's just, there's too much to go on. This video will be forever. But all I can say is if you're not here, you better get here because the party's just getting started, baby. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you 2022.
Awesome. Well, there's a couple guys from the team. We're here at the shop. We just got done with our meeting. Half the team left. Caroline's in the office. We'll see you guys on the next video. Break it down, Erik. Break it down.